Damn, my phone finna die. Damn, my phone finna die. I want to get on here real quick. I want to talk about. I just seen a nigga post a video that a picture that somebody said I said that people in New York can't dress. I never said that. I want to get on here because I see that people taking my words and misconstrue them. I never got on here and said people in New York can't dress. All right? Me and Cash was having a conversation about the Bronx. Okay? That's what we was talking about. All right? We was talking about the Bronx. And I think I might have said people from the Bronx can't dress. Right? I might have said that. Maybe. I don't know. I think so. But I'm talking about, I just got off the phone with a really good friend from New York. And she was very passionate. Right? Very passionate about New York. And I stand on what I say when I say that the culture is ran by Atlanta, bro. You know what I'm saying? Think about all the slang right now. All the slang, slime, twin. Bro, this is Atlanta. Like, what are we even talking about? Slime, twin. What's up, slime? It's Atlanta. This is facts. This is Atlanta culture. Atlanta runs the culture. Now, when we talking about the history of fashion, I would never disrespect New York culture. I love New York culture. I love Wu-Tang. Anybody know me know I love Wu-Tang. I love Dipset. Real goats when it comes to this fashion shit, right? But, what do you mean New York? Slizzy came from slime. What do you mean New York niggas don't say slime? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This is what I mean when I say niggas don't even know what they be talking about. What the fuck are you talking about? What you talking about? I got that hoodie for you, CC. I forgot all about that. That shit sitting in the goddamn. And girl, I want to bring somebody on here from the Bronx. Oh, not from the Bronx, from New York. I want to bring somebody up here from New York. Let me see what I got in here. Anybody I want to talk to. But I want to clarify. Chicago runs culture. What? No one's ever said that ever. Oh, Ben Baller. Brother. You stay up out of this. All right? Pushing 50. You stay out of this. All right? You stay the fuck out of this. You pushing the old age. All right? You damn near forget how to post sometimes when you get on the internet. You so damn old. Stay up out of this. We talking about right now, 2024. You know what I'm saying? All right? And I'm going to speak on, honestly, since I'm here, real quick, before I get off this, I'm going to speak on this. I don't want to say this. I'm going to say this shit one time, right? We have split ways with Karrah as far as this concrete shit. I don't have nothing to say, nothing bad to say, nothing negative to say about Karrah. I wish her the best in her career. that's that. You know? Yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't have anything really bad to say or anything good to say. We just split, you know? And I wish the best for Kara in her career. So, yeah. I'm never gonna speak on it again. So that's it. What you mean? Concrete's still concrete. And no one's replacing her. I'm not looking for another girl. We're not. No one's trying to replace Kara. Kara was Kara, and that's that. So, that's that. We'll leave that at that. So, I hope y'all have a good day. I'll probably be back in a bit because I really want to talk about this I want to talk about that first thing again, but that's that. It is what it is. I wish everybody the best. Y'all have a great day. Peace.